Bird of happiness. Here's a thought I want to share between me and you. I don't believe the bird of happiness is really blue. If it was a bird, I think it would be red, yellow, tan, or black. Happiness comes in every color, with none under attack. I imagine not a bird, but a rainbow set against a noonday sun, with or without a pot of gold at the end to liven up our fun. Happiness can live on the land, on the sea, or in the air. But most importantly, happiness is something you share. Should we ever use color as our sole means of a measure? No, I say we should accept diversity, accept it as a treasure. Oh, and just one thing to each of you I want to impart. Happiness isn't a bird, but a state of mind that comes from the heart.